What if we got rid of I-94? What would happen? Bear with me. It's a crazy idea. I realize that when I say it at the beginning. But the thing is, I-94, it's relatively recent. Only came in about the last half century. And look at the amount of space we devote for our city to our highway system. The majority of people on this highway system are passing through. People is going from one side of 94 to the other. Why do they need to pass through the center of our two downtowns, the great Twin Cities? Is that really needed? Just recently, MinPost released a thought piece about what it would look like if we got rid of this. We could divert the passing through traffic on 694, and in a post-COVID era, maybe this is more appropriate. Maybe we don't need to be going downtown every day. Maybe we can reduce our traffic, because every study that has ever been done on this has shown that no matter how many times you expand your roads, the traffic will always find a way to be congested. So try to imagine it. Do you think we could live without that highway?